Let's talk about the latest launched Vivo smartphone Y19s Pro with diamond texture design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.68 inches HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 720 by 1608 pixels, approximately 264 ppi pixel density, 1000 nits maximum high. Brightness mode, 90 Hz refresh rate, and with drop scratch resistant glass protection. And now, talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel wide-angle main camera with aperture 1.8, along with 0.08 megapixel depth camera with aperture 3.0 and dual LED flash. For selfies it has 5 megapixel wide-angle front camera with aperture 2.2, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of FunTouch OS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 1.8 GHz dual-core Cortex A75 plus 1.8 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by Unisoc Tiger T612 12nm chipset, paired with Mali G57 MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8GB of extended RAM, and 256GB of eMMC 5.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB of dedicated microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.75 by 76.1 by 8.1 mm, and it weights around 198 grams, and the color options, silver pearl, obsidian black colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5150 mAh battery with 44-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, dual stereo speakers with 300% volume support, USB Type-C charging port, FM radio support, and with IP64 dust and water resistant support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo Y19s Pro has been priced for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 779,900 Colombian pesos. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Vivo Y19s Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.